Hi, I'm here with this fountain water for the dog. Um, it's a really good. It has its own filter already. It's coming with one filter inside. Okay, and it comes with a little mat, silicone mat. You can put it for your dog. And here's the 6 filters that come with it. Has a little brush so you can clean it up. Actually 3 brushes. And previously I already installed the motor in here, and it has this little plastic where you can, a little hole where you can put it in there and just attach it to the pump, and that's how it works. You connect it to the power. You have a cable here ready to go, and connect it to the power right here. I'm gonna put some water in a minute. Alright, get some water. Agüita. Drink some water. Agüita, amigo. Agüita. Aquí. Agüita. You want some water? Drink some water. Sure. Come on. Don't be shy. Come on. Get some water. Miko. Water. Come on, don't be shy. You don't want any water? No, you don't? Okay, never mind.